Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng DLSU Lady Spikers ang GRU Lady Bombers 25-18, 25-20, 25-16. Best player of the game si Baby Jane Soreño sa likod ng kanyang 10 points mula sa 4 attacks at 6 aces. Dinaig naman ng UST Growling Tigresses ang ULED Warriors 23-25, 23-25, 25-14, 25-17, 15-9. Best player of the game si Angeline Poyo sa likod ng kanyang 28 points mula sa 25 attacks at 3 blocks. Winalis din ng Inyo Lady Bulldogs ang Sanbida Red Lady Spikers 25-19, 25-7, 25-17. Best player of the game si Myrtle Iscanlar sa likod ng kanyang 13 points mula sa 11 attacks, 1 block at 1 ace. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of October 13, 2024. Sa Pool A, NU Lady Bulldogs 3 wins 0 loss 9 points. Ateneo Blue Eagles 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Arellano Lady Chiefs 2 wins 1 loss 5 points. Sanbida Lady Ridge Spikers 1 win 3 losses 5 points. EAC Lady Generals 0 win 3 losses 0 point. Sa Pool B naman, UST Golden Tigresses 4 wins 0 loss 11 points. UE Lady Warriors 3 wins 1 loss 10 points. LPU Lady Pirates 1 win 2 losses 2 points. Perpetual Lady Altas 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Mapua Lady Cardinals 0 win 3 losses 1 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like at subscribe. Sa Pool C naman, DLSU Lady Spikers 3 win 0 loss 9 points. UP Fighting Marons 1 win 1 loss 3 points. Litran Lady Knights 1 win 2 losses 3 points. GRU Lady Bombers 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Sa Pool D, FEU Lady Tamaraws 3 win 0 loss 8 points. Adamson Lady Falcons 1 win 1 loss 4 points. CSB Lady Blazers 0 win 1 loss 0 point. San Sebastian Lady Stags 0 win 2 losses 0 point. Heto ang game schedule ngayong October 16, 2024 na gaganapin sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum. Sa first game, maglalaban ng Perpetual Lady Altas kontra sa LPO Lady Pirates, 1:00 ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang Ateneo Blue Eagles at EAC Lady Generals, 3:30 ng hapon. At sa main game, magharap ang Adamson Lady Falcons at CSB Lady Blazers, 6:00 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like at subscribe.